Hi guys, this is Star117. I am Muskan.
And I'm Anshika, and today we are going to tell about how people sneeze, the type of sneezers.
Yeah, so Bloom Blast.
Boom, blast. So
There we go.
Yay! What? So loud one! I just frightened. Excuse me.
Oh, so stylish.
Give us a tissue paper. So dramatic. I hate dramatics. Achoo! 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 I'm so sorry, guys.
So continuity. Oh my god.
Oh, so yui! Like our video, and do not forget to subscribe. And
Thumbs up. Meet tomorrow, guys.
We know. We think we also get sneeze.
Yeah.